Are you looking for the best sofa protectors in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best sofa protectors that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, TAOCOCO Waterproof Sofa Protector. Worry about dust and dirt on the sofa you have recently purchased? Well, here is the perfect product for you that will solve your problem. The sofa protector has multi-layers providing full support and safety that you wish to cover. It also is 100% waterproof if accidentally any liquid spills. Moreover, it also comes with an adjustable metal hook strap. You can either hand wash it, or machine wash, whichever is preferred. Furthermore, it is compatible with almost every 3 or 4-seater sofa sets. The high product quality ensures it is kids and pet friendly as well. It not only is waterproof but prevents your sofa from any stains or wear and tear. At number 4, Great Bay Home Reversible Sofa Cover. This high-quality and strong couch cover are ideal for your home furniture. As it is a bit oversized, it tends to fit every sofa type. The best feature is that the product is reversible. On one side, you get a beautiful pattern, and on another side a solid color base. Moreover, it protects your sofa from any spills, stains, and tear. The quilted texture makes it super soft to sit upon. There is also an adjustable strap provided to hold the cover in one place securely. Furthermore, the finish makes it look more stylish and classy. It is also kids as well as pet friendly, so stop worrying about your couch getting dirty. At number 3, Granbest Sofa Covers. The slipcover is a universal size that fits all the L-shaped size sofas. Give a complete makeover to your sofa with this fantastic cover. Moreover, it comes in 3 different sizes, small, large, and extra large to choose from. It is thick yet very soft, making it highly durable. Do not worry, it also is great if you have kids and pets at home. It resists all the wear and tear and pet hairs. The quilted design ensures the fabric is breathable, enhancing the decor of our house. Furthermore, it also comes with foam strips to keep the cover in place. So rest assured about the slipping of the cover constantly. You can easily machine wash it. At number 2, H.VERSAILTEX Reversible Sofa Slipcover. The beautiful quilted sofa protector covers are a must for redecorating your old sofa or protecting the new one. This product ensures it adds style and glamour to your current decor. Moreover, it is also reversible and has microfiber and foam inside it. This makes it very soft and comfortable. It is super easy to maintain as you can easily wash it in the machine and air dry quickly. The eco-friendly product is stain and water resistant with no wear and tear from pet claws. Furthermore, it also comes with elastic plastic straps with a metal hook for keeping the cover in place. The 3 layerings with suede-like finishing make it a luxurious choice for your home. At number 1, H.VERSAILTEX Stretch Sofa Cover. This one-piece stretchable sofa protector is the must-buy to secure your sofa for a longer time. Moreover, it provides full protection with utmost comfort. It will also prevent any liquid spills, food stains, wear and tear, and pet claws. The slipcover comes in a small textured check pattern having spandex material. The bottom is sewn with elastic loops that cover the edges, as well protected from any slip-offs. The product is ideal for cotton as well as leather sofas. Furthermore, it also is wrinkle-free. Wash it in the machine and air dry it to save that extra time. This looks aesthetically so good in your living room, uplifting the decor thereby. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.